You know you're a top-level welder when you're entrusted with making a giant ship propeller. In about an hour of work on this bulldozer, the guy can dig out an entire pit. Hey, pause everything you're doing because we're about to inspire you with the most ingenious construction workers that are on another level. Get ready to see some really cool pros and their highly motivated methods. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, and get ready to finally hang that pesky shelf. Watching this painter work is like watching a machine. He's so precise and efficient. Removing parquet flooring usually takes a lot of time, but not when it's done by an experienced craftsman. What do you think of this innovative method of transporting slate? The work crew discovered a fast, convenient way to transport pipes using straps. The ingenious simplicity with which this worker creates a perfect curve left me in shock. Somebody is extremely meticulous, but the result is 100 times better than you would ever expect. After such high-quality work, it's impossible to find where the seams were on the walls. And this professional can fit tiles to any curve. The system settings for this team are cooler than Google Analytics. This amazing worker doesn't believe in the concept of stronger and weaker sexes. Such a well-trained operator can put his excavator on its own tracks. The way this level glides smoothly over this wooden frame speaks volumes about the craftsmanship of the builders. Even Hawkeye would be jealous of this person's accuracy. While other people are racking their brains over complex 3D projects, this professional just takes a spatula and makes it simple. It takes a lot of painstaking work by professionals to lay a carpet on such a large area. Take a look at the incredible surgical precision of this craftsmanship. Meet the guru who discovered the most amazing way to create texture on road surfaces. When the worker finally understands the phrase, "work smarter, not harder," all a master craftsman needs to create an incredibly cool floor is some glue, confetti, and lacquer. Don't be surprised if you get a high bill from this expert because he can do the work of 10 people. Apparently, these workers were able to turn off gravity. How else do you explain them carrying their loads without wobbling? It's impressive how this painter uses an ordinary spatula to apply plaster in a perfect circle. Wow, in just 2 quick movements, the holes disappear like magic. What is this, if not a dream team? Just looking at this is already powerful. What? This border is done by hand? But no one can compare to this woman's skill. After this repair, this road is going to last for at least another 100 years. With unmatched bravery and precision, this professional will install an air conditioner on any skyscraper, no matter how high. This guy gets paid to lay tile, and he's simply the best at it. Moving dozens of miles of cable is easy when you work in a coordinated team like this. The worker can use an angle grinder better than most artists can use a paintbrush. Incredible! Check out how this person creates a real tree with just a little magic and a plastering trowel. Unbelievable! These guys are actually renovating a crosswalk right in the middle of the busy traffic. The worker and the excavator have become one, and now he controls it as if it were an extension of his own hands. Mosaic Lane has never been so perfect. Does anyone have a phone number for these guys? I need them on my street ASAP. The way this craftsman turns concrete into wood is simply mind-blowing. Any guesses as to why there's only one person working in the warehouse? This craftsman only needed a few steps to create a shiny new floor. No way! This guy brought the bright color back to those chairs using a torch. It's incredible what plaster can do in the hands of someone with an imagination. Guys, Don't stop. Watching this perfect flume being formed is pure satisfaction. A little engineering know-how helped these workers save a lot of energy. I could watch this guy do this forever. Who would have thought that you only need 2 pros to perfectly paint a massive ship? Just look how this worker brilliantly uses a ladder to remove air bubbles from concrete. The speed of applying the solution is simply unimaginable. How do you like this perfectly designed, long-lasting staircase? Now, check out this super fast build. When best friends work together, they always get the best results. Check out the supreme plastering quality. Check out the most dangerous job in the world, building a wooden road on a 500-meter cliff. Don't worry, the skilled specialists are on it. This guy's sense of balance threw me off balance. Stand by for smooth results. When it comes to intricate laminate patterns, this specialist is second to none. I'm in a trance at this satisfying application of mounting foam. No special skills needed for perfect tile laying, just enough genius to fake it. This is truly impressive. Blink and you'll miss it. It's hard to believe that this master can create such delicate details with such a crude tool. Like this video if you're rooting for these guys more than you do at a football game. They won. This worker is as precise as a clock. He'll never need a saw, that's for sure. Imagine how powerful you'd feel while controlling this industrial giant. Feel the expertise radiating from this man. The floor installer has landed the smoothest job in the world. It's flawless. Behold, the flash of the roofing world. You won't find a more diligent worker than this guy when it comes to thresholds. Here's more proof of that. 1, 2, and the wall is perfectly plastered. Here's someone who can really captivate you with their work. Believe me, these guys are so experienced that they can afford to take measurements like this. This guy's concentration is top-notch. He doesn't waste any time on unnecessary movements. This skilled craftswoman isn't afraid of a few heavy wooden planks. Before watching this video, I had no idea that laminate could be used for cladding like that. What process do you find the most satisfying? Write in the comments. Give a team of master craftsmen a couple of minutes on the field, and you'll have the best lawn for foot races. The future looks bright for this smart kid. I don't know what laws of physics help this person hold the bricks in such an amazing shape, but the result is simply stunning. Check out the genius who has mastered the art of laying concrete. Wow, this guy can turn concrete into a work of art. 6 workers have merged into one precise machine. Without a meticulous worker behind it, no machine is capable of performing high-quality work. Enjoy watching the long process of building a skate park in just a few seconds. My mind is blown by the smoothness this worker achieves with his huge tool. The result of this guy's diligent work is a concrete surface that'll last for more than 50 years. This guy's come up with a method for creating textured walls using nothing but gravel. This roofer has mastered the delicate art of working with slate tiles. Imagine having this guy's sense of depth perception. Watch the experts make some huge concrete blocks. Here's how they make a facade with the smaller versions. Now, presenting a house made of bottles by the most creative architect you've ever seen. It's amazing. This genius worker pieces together two completely different materials, like a puzzle. For this painter, his hands are literally priceless. You won't believe your eyes when you see what's coming up next. These workers have mastered a special technique for laying bricks in a circle, and all I can think is, how? Let's stop here for today. Be sure to write in the comments about which professional's work impressed you the most and why. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon in the next video.